Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the bot trading website script. So viewers, if you also want to make your own AI bot trading website, then you are on the right video. In this video we are gonna completely make this website from scratch. First of all, I will give you the complete overview of this website. Then I'll show you how you can completely control this website from admin panel, and at last I will completely install this script on my hosting and I'll show you how we can completely make this from scratch. Be with us and watch this video till the end, and I'm gonna guide you completely about this. Viewers, if you want to purchase this website from us, a website script from us, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description. And if you want us to build the complete website for you, you can contact us. So you can see how amazing its look is, completely new in market. Here you can see different chart of crypto. Here you can see latest crypto prices over here. And viewers, first of all, let's log into its user panel and let's see how its user panel will looks like. So here I'll go to login option. Here there is an option to log in with username and password. Now we don't have an account, so click on create account and we will first create account over here. So after entering your username, here you have to enter your email, and here you have to enter your password. Enter your confirmed password. After entering these details, here you can enter your referral code as well, and user can earn money through referral invest through invitations as well. Here click on sign up and it will create our account. So you can see that our account has created successfully, and viewers, currency is also changeable. Currently it's TRC currency, but we can change it from admin panel to USD or any other your local currency. You can change the currency as well. Here you can see these banners are over here. You can insert these banners from admin panel. These banners are also changeable. Here you can change the highlight as well over here, and you can insert your own business highlight, logo, etc. Everything that is on the website is completely changeable from admin panel. Here user can click on apps in order to download the app of this website. Here from Telegram, user can click to go to Telegram channel. Here is a tutorial. User can watch any tutorial. Here is about us section, so user can read about your website. You can insert certificates over here in this section. Here there are some AI trading charts, credit debit card for payment, and here you can see the graphs. Here user can saw the graph of 1 day, 1 year, 5 year, all, and here user can see the latest crypto prices over here. So this is the home page of this website, and here user can scroll it in order to see the dashboard, pages, components, and different settings, then to log out. And user can see its referral ID as well over here. Here is a deposit option. So here you can see the admin can insert its QR, and here is address. So these things are changeable from admin panel. Admin can change them, and user can enter amount. And here user can insert amount. After payment to this address, user have to send the screenshot to the admin, and the deposit will be approved by admin into admin panel. So here is a mining page. So from here user can start mining, and here you can see how amazing its mining page is. Here is AI trading page. So here user have to click on in order to on the AI trading. So here after owning, it will turning on. And viewers, let me tell you that you can set a fixed commission for AI trading from admin panel. Like you can show user profit or loss in a way you want. So sometimes on some days you can show user profit, and on some days you can show user some loss from admin panel. Basically you can set the profit and loss for everyday trade from admin panel. So user will just on the trade, and at the end of the day user will get its profit or loss. So that you can easily set it from admin panel. So win lose will be completely under your control. Here same, there are the different graphs, etc. over here, and from here user can on the AI trading. So currently we don't have any balance, so we cannot on the trading, but when we have balance, so click on here, balance will be shown over here, and we can turn on trading on our balance from here. Currently we don't have enough balance in order to on the AI trading or mining. Here is withdrawal section. So user can select the gateway, and from here user can take its withdrawal. Here's a mine page. So here currently there is TRC currency, but currency is changeable as I already told you. Here is a deposit section, withdrawal section. Here user can see all its mining, deposit, withdrawal, commission records over here. And here is account information, so we can change our account information from here, from this section, and each and everything is completely changeable. So here is all deposit, so deposit will be shown over here, and total withdrawal will be shown here, total profit, 2-day profit, everything will be shown over here. Here you can see your account information, you can verify your KYC. In my team you can see your referral team, this is your referral link, you can use this link to invite different people. And here is withdrawal setting, you can set your withdrawal password, user can download your app, user can go to your Telegram channel. This is about a section. So this was all about the user panel of this website. Now let's go to the admin panel and let's see how we can completely control this website from the admin panel. So now I'll go to my admin login page. So viewers, now I am on my admin login page. Here we have to enter our email and password in order to log into the admin panel. So here I'll enter my email, and here I'll enter my password so we can log in easily to our admin panel. So now I've entered the details, so when I click on login, it will log me into my admin panel. So here you can see that we have successfully logged into the admin panel of this website. First of all, you can look at its amazing dashboard. So you can use it in mobile phone or laptop. If you use it on the laptop, its visibility will be good, but you can easily use and control this website from your mobile phone easily. Here you can see your total users, active users, total ban user, total trade profit, total trade loss, and total deposit, pending deposit, withdrawals, trades running today. Everything will be shown you over here. Here you can see the latest notifications, etc. for user registration, deposit request, etc. Every notification will come here. So let's explore some other option. Here is a trade settings option, from where you can do your trade settings. Like here you can see there is trading bonus. Like for daily trades you can set the bonus, you can set it $1, $2, $3. And now here you can see set minimum trading amount, and here you can set that profit or loss. So here you will set bonus, like for example I set $1, and here I'll set minus, so user will get loss of $1. If I set here plus, user will get loss of profit of $1. So similarly you can make user win or lose at any time and any type of amount you wanna lose them. So here you can set that in percentage. So here you will set 1%, so it will be percentage, not in dollar. Here you can set trade open time. Here you can set the trading pair on BTC or whatever pair, you can set it from here, and you can update the trades. Here you can see all the running trades on your website. Currently website is newly created, as you can see that is on my subdomain, so here is no running trades. Here you can manage all the users. Currently there are 2 users. Now if you want to manage them, here you can go to details, you can completely see their details. You can add, subtract balance to their account. For example, I want to add balance to user account, I can add balance from here. So you can see balance has added, $1,000 are added successfully to this user account. So here you can manage referrals, you can set multiple levels of commission on referral from here. So you can set multiple levels of commission on referral. Here you can manage the withdrawal methods, like you can create withdrawal methods. Currently there is only one withdrawal method, TRC20. Now if you want to add a new withdrawal method, you can add a new withdrawal method by filling these simple details. Here you can approve the pending withdrawal request of user. So when user will request a withdraw, the request will come here, and from here you can approve that withdrawal request or reject it. Similarly, you can see accepted withdrawals, rejected withdrawals over here. Here's manage deposits. From here you can create a deposit methods. Currently you can see there are multiple payment gateways are available. Now if you want to create a new payment gateway, by filling these simple details, you can add a new payment gateway on your website. Here you can see pending deposit, accepted deposit, rejected deposit, and all deposits over here. So when user will request a deposit, the request will come here, and from here you can approve and reject the deposit request of user. So here is general settings option. From general settings, viewers, basically you can change the site name. So you can change the site name from here. You can change the site currency, you can change the currency symbol. So I'll change the symbol to dollar. So here you can set sign up bonus. Here you can set referral needed for withdrawal. So you can set the must refer thing. For withdraw you need to refer, etc. You can set that thing also. Here you can set the KYC verification, user registration. You can change the logo of website directly from here, from this section. So from SEO management, you can manage the SEO etc. from here, and you can manage the email settings from here. So let me just convert it to the desktop modes in order to view it more properly. So here viewers, you can see there is an option of front end settings. From here you can, from sliding banners, you can change the banners on the website. So here you can see these are all the existing banners. If you want to add new banner, you can click on here, choose the file and add new banner on your website. So these are the existing banners, you can see them over here. If you want to edit them or delete them, you can do that from here. So if you use it in laptop, it would be great. Here you can change the notice settings, you can change the links of different Telegram, etc. Here the banner section, you can change different banners on the site. And here are some other options like blog setting, testimonials, and all these sections are editable from here. So viewers, in this video I guided you about each and everything related to this site. Now viewers, if you want to purchase the script or if you want to buy the complete website from us, you can contact us on WhatsApp. And viewers, now the last part of our video is completely making this website. So now let's go and let's completely install the script on our hosting. So I will completely install it, so no confusion will be left. So now let's go and let's install the script. So viewers, to install this AI trading latest version script, what you have to do is, first of all, you all must have to log into your hosting. Either you are using the cPanel or you are using the hPanel. The installation process will remains the same, so you don't need to worry about anything, and it will work on any type of hosting like shared hosting. So viewers, currently I will use my hosting at hPanel in order to install it. Now what you have to do is, after logging into your hPanel or cPanel, what you have to do is you have to go to your file manager option. So the interface between Hostinger hPanel and cPanel can be different, but the process is completely same. So you just have to follow the process. So it will redirect us to public HTML folder. Here go inside the public HTML folder. I will install this script on my subdomain, which is demo2. And now here you can see that I have already uploaded the script. Now what you have to do is you have to upload this file from here. So in order to save time, I already uploaded the script. In order to buy this file from us, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description of this video, and my WhatsApp number is also showing on the screen. So you can contact us in order to buy this website, and you can contact us and you will get this at a very reasonable price. And viewers, now what you have to do is you have to extract all the files that were inside this zip file. So we'll click on extract, and you can see it has extracted all the files. And here you will see there is an asset file and there is .sql file. So here we will download this SQL file from here. After downloading this file, here is assets. So you have to extract this assets file. So we'll get all the files that were in this, and you can see it is currently extracting the files. So you have to wait for it, and now you can see all the files were extracted. Now simply just delete your scripts from here, both assets, SQL file, and the assets folder, and here is the SQL file. So all of them were deleted, and here you have to delete the SQL files folder as well. Now you have to go to this core folder, and here viewers, what you have to do is you have to go to your .env file. So this is .env file, but before that, first of all, we have to create the database. Go to database section, and here we will create database with any name. You can use any name in order to create the database. Currently I'm using this random name. Enter the password, and after entering these details, you have to just click on create, and your database will be created. Now database has created, and now what we have to do is we have to just copy the name from here. So copy database and username. These are the most important thing over here in the process, so you have to copy those names very carefully. So here you have to paste the names. So in DB database you have to paste the database name that we created, and here you have to create the username and paste that over here. So here is a password, and after entering password, the last thing is we have to enter our app URL over here. So in order to get the URL, I'll just go to this process, and here I'll copy my URL name. So I'll give my URL over here. So now the last step of this process, that is we have to go to management, and here you have to go to your enter PHP my admin. So in PHP my admin, basically we will import our database files that were very important. So if you remember, in starting while extracting the file, I have downloaded one SQL file. So we have to go to import folder over here, and here in choose file section we will choose that SQL file that we downloaded. So we will have to choose this file, and here is the import option. So when I click on import, it will import all the files over here. So you can see there are 148 queries, and all the queries were uploaded over here. Now let's go, so this was our domain, and let's refresh it, and let's see whether our site is live or not. So you can see that our website has created successfully and it's live. So this is our newly created website. I already guided you about each and everything related to this website. So you can see our website is live and it's completely working. So viewers, in this video I guided you about each and everything related to this website. First of all, I gave you the overview, then we saw the admin panel, then I show you how you can install this website on your hosting. So you can see I have installed it on my this subdomain, and I hope all of the things related to this website were cleared. If you have any question related to that, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description of the video. You can contact us. And if you want to buy this website, complete website, or if you need the script, so you can contact us. You will get it at a very reasonable price. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.